Look at the house. OMG.
Wow. Some great. Oh, that one's constructed.
No. There, look at that. So we're here. Oh, say hello to my vlog. The two of you. Hi, Alex. Hi, Matt. Hello, Ate Telma. Station Park. Oh, anong meron dyan? We're going to Home Alone house. Macaulay Culkin's Home Alone.
Oh, is that shops? Is that?
May ano ba dito? May Target ba dito? Ayan, parang ano, Forbes Town itsura. Sa kabila. Gaya-gaya talaga Pilipinas eh, no? Hindi nila gayahin yung maraming puno. Hindi kasi nakikita eh, no? Gosh, it's so cold. Home Alone.
So cold.
Shady. Rosie. Lamig.
Mukhang wala pa nakatira.
Ano ka lang, guys?
Picture.
Home Alone. Can I go down?
Go, yeah. Hold on, anong sabi doon?
Pardon or does filthy animals. Oh, kasi di ba?
Yeah, you can. Go.
Pwede kang magtayo dyan, dun sa hill siya.
So nice here. Okay, now my favorite city too. Look at that house.
Is that Zed?
Old house.
I love Zed.
You wanna live there?
Oh, wala. Ang lalaki nga ng bahay nila, no? Ang sila, nagkikita-kita pa.
So this is like,
Tapos minsan nakatira dyan, mga tatlo lang, no?
ito yung rich neighborhood Sheridan. Malapit na yung lake dyan. Yung lake, Lake Michigan.
Really?
I don't think so, honey. Because that was like winter, so I don't think they're gonna, ay may ari.
Oh yeah.
Dapat doon ka lang sa Gilson Park
houses
kasi
here.
madadaan
Crazy.
tayo sa ano eh, sa bahay temple. Meron naman. Bago ka magbahay.
Are we gonna go swimming? No. You can go swimming, Alex. No, I don't want to swim.
Kaya mahal, mga ano to kasi katabi na nila lake pag malapit
Negative
sa
10
lake.
feet
Ang
above.
mas mahal?
Mas mahal. Yeah. Kasi yun yung view na binabayaran.
Where's Jilson?
Wilson, madadaanan na siya.
Negative 100.
Here in Sheridan, no?
Where are we going now?
To Bahay Temple.
What's a bahay?
Ano ba to? Willow
Go
Road?
to
We're
Jilson
going to
Park.
Gilson.
Gilson Park.
Gilson Park.
Buti maliwanag po, no?
I think dun sa light na yun, bebe. Basta, I know madadaan.
Ang lamig! This is Lake Michigan.
Nag-wave din, parang dagat.
Yung mga bahay dito, grabe. Vlog na vlog. Oh my God, lakas ah. Punta sila dun. Para na. Going down Lake Michigan. Whew, lamig. Not ready for this, duh.
Picture na.
Hindi ko kaya! Oh my God!
Yeah, lake pa rin yan.
We're going to the temple. It's so nice.
Whoa. What is that place?
May nagsiswimming din dyan?
Pagsama. That's called Bahay Temple.
Bahay?
Oo.
Bahay? Tagalog?
B-A-H-A-I. Bahay.
A-H-A-I.
House. I don't know.
Bahay Temple.
So, anong religion dyan?
It's parang...
It's for everything.
Parang universal. I don't know, parang it's for...
Universal religion.
Yeah.
So, what's on the other side? Homes as well? Nice. It's nice pala here, no? Dami puntahan.
Didn't say no parking.
Yeah, parang meron nakalagay. Pero nakalagay. No parking between 12 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Anytime.
Dito.
Pwede
Na
ako
dito
dito.
pwede, dito hindi ka pwede. No parking anytime, pero doon pwede ka pwede.
Doon sa kabila, sa bahay.
So,
We're gonna go in there.
We can just go at the...
Yeah, we can just walk here.
Kasi
Only
between here tsaka there.
there,
Pwede ka
we'll just see the fountain.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to Bahay Temple. Ang ganda rito. Look. Look at the house. It's so big and old. Sure. So here, ang ganda. Oh my God. Okay, the real roses. Oh my God. Sarap pitasin. Falls. Wait, ay ka rito. Sumama tayo sa kanila. Dito. Ate Mau, gusto mo flowers? So this is Saldico's house and this is Martin Romualdez.
Oh, what happened to the tree?